Hey, they're all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. Why do we need to consume more carrots? Carrots are a multi-purpose nutrient-rich vegetable. They are an excellent source of vitamins, essential minerals, and fiber. You probably know that they improve your eyesight, but really, they do much more than that. Drinking carrot juice is a quick and easy way to include carrots into your diet. Did you know that 1 glass of carrot juice contains potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber? And many more. Juicing has taken over the internet as the next best thing in healthy eating. Munching on carrots is a healthy snacking habit, but the best way would be to blend it into a smoothie. This will keep your blood sugar levels stabilized and keep you active for the rest of the day. There are numerous health benefits of this amazing vegetable that go unnoticed. What about nutrition facts of carrot? Immunity booster? Improves digestion? The secret to your glowing skin? Keep watching to know how carrot juice is the underdog of the juice world. Number 1. Nutrition facts. The widespread reputation of carrot as an essential eye health food is well founded in its astounding amount of beta-carotene, equivalent to 93% of the daily value for vitamin A. The nutritional value of carrot is rounded up by good amounts of vitamin K, FOLATE, which promotes proper coagulation and healthy bones. Drinking this vegetable juice regularly can help prevent deficiencies in these nutrients. Based on the Food Data Central research results of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, a cup, 100 grams, serving of raw carrot, which is equivalent to a small glass, contains the following nutrients: energy, 41 calories, water, 88.29 grams, protein, 0.93 grams equal 2% of the daily value, carbohydrates, 9.58 grams equal 3% of the daily value, total lipid, fats, 0.24 grams equal 0.4% of the daily value, dietary fiber, 2.8 grams equal 11% of the daily value. While vitamins contained in raw carrot included vitamin A, 835 micrograms, equal 93% of the daily value, vitamin K, FOLATE, 13.2 micrograms, equal 11% of the daily value, vitamin B6, pyridoxine, 0.138 milligrams equal 8% of the daily value, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 5.9 milligrams equals 7% of the daily value, niacin, B3, 0.983 milligrams equals 6% of the daily value, pantothenic acid, B5, 0.273 milligrams equals 6% of the daily value, thiamine, B1, 0.066 milligrams equals 6% of the daily value, folate, B9, 19 micrograms, equal 5% of the daily value, riboflavin, B2, 0.058 milligrams equal 5% of the daily value, vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, 0.66 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value, potassium, 320 milligrams equals 7% of the daily value. Whereas, the minerals contained in raw carrot included manganese, 0.143 milligrams equals 6% of the daily value, copper, 0.045 milligrams equal 5% of the daily value, phosphorus, 35 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value, calcium, 33 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value, magnesium, 12 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value, zinc, 0.24 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value, iron, 0.3 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value, selenium, less than 2% of the daily value. Number 2. Boosts immune system. A strong immunity means body is ready to fight off any bacteria or virus effectively. The aim should be to keep your immune system strong. This is where carrot juice comes into play. It contains antioxidants that get rid of infectious free radicals and toxins. Adding it to your everyday diet, along with other healthy life choices, will keep you healthy. Another crucial element for strong immunity is vitamin C, which carrots are packed with. 100 grams of this freshly squeezed juice contains as much as 3 milligrams of vitamin C. When juiced with other root vegetables like beetroot or ginger along with apple, It has pain-relieving properties and can be used as a home remedy for the flu. Number 3. Improves digestion. Let's start off by saying that carrot juice is your stomach's best friend. The vitamin A present protects the lining of your stomach and lubricates food for better digestion. Ditching soda and sugary beverages for carrot juice will make you feel fuller for a longer time, which means that it can also help with your weight loss goals. The alkaline compounds present in this juice helps to treat acid reflux and heartburn, a blessing in disguise for people suffering from GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Number 4. Stronger vision. When you think of the benefits of carrot juice, better eyesight is one of the first things that comes to mind. Rightly so. Vision problems occur when your eyes are not getting enough vitamin A. While carrots cannot restore lost vision, it does help in bringing back the necessary vitamin A content in your eyes. This strengthens your eyes and keeps its surface safe. Along with vitamins and a bunch of other minerals, they're also high in antioxidants. This is another important element you need, not just to keep your eye health in check, but to also keep your body in good condition. Number 5. Improves brain function. Surprise? From eyesight to the brain, carrot juice is beneficial in more ways than one. The beta-carotene improves memory and helps prevent dementia related to old age. They promote the regrowth of brain nerves in cells, which keeps your memory intact. It also helps you in recalling things. As you age, brain cells produce more quantities of inflammatory molecules, which contribute to memory loss. A carrot compound called LUTEOLIN inhibits the release of these molecules. If you have been feeling a bit forgetful or foggy lately, then maybe it is time for you to give carrot juice a go. Number 6. Glowing skin. Looking for ways to get your glow on? Don't waste your money on chemical makeup products. Choose the natural way. Drinking carrot juice on a daily basis cleanses the skin from within. As we mentioned earlier, carrots are packed with antioxidants. These provide nutrition that protects the skin from eczema and is a miracle juice when it comes to reducing wrinkles. The potassium content in carrots also helps in keeping your skin looking healthy. Carrot is enriched with nutrients that get rid of toxic skin substances, removes dead skin, and gets rid of stubborn spots. Drink it or apply it on your face as a mask, you decide. A natural solution that will benefit you in every way. Number 7. Manages blood sugar levels. Carrot is a non-starchy vegetable, and diabetics can eat them freely. Apart from fiber, it also contains carotenoids, a complex carbohydrate. This means your blood sugar levels will be controlled because it gets absorbed slowly in the body. It can also be the secret to dealing with diabetes. Another reason for uncontrolled diabetes can be low levels of vitamin A. Carrot juice compounds attack the insulin-producing cells. Among the list of compounds found in carrots, one of them is vitamin B6, of which diabetics are known to be deficient. Keep in mind, you should also indulge in regular exercise as well. Number 8. Improves oral health. Chewing on a delicious carrot like Bugs Bunny is definitely a good idea. Or a freshly squeezed glass of carrot juice is a great way of keeping your mouth healthy. Drinking it helps the blood flow in your mouth and gets rid of toxins from your gums. It also forms a protective layer on your teeth that inhibits new bacteria from developing. Carrot juice contains a substance called fluoride that keeps the tooth enamel or the white cover of the teeth protected by stopping decay. They also actively attack plaque, causing germs and bacteria, which has earned its reputation for being the vegetable that fight cavities the best. Number 9. Lowers cholesterol. Carrots contain high amounts of soluble fiber, which means that it can easily help with the digestion of food. It also boosts the production of bile, which is responsible for digesting the fat. All this works together in lowering your blood cholesterol levels. Packed with potassium, carrots are a natural solution to not only get rid of the bad cholesterol, but in lowering blood sugar levels too. Because of these benefits, people suffering from thyroid issues are recommended to drink carrot juice every day. If you are struggling with cholesterol, then watch this video for some foods that will help eat healthy and be safe. Now back to the benefits of carrot juice. Number 10. Promotes lung health. The carotenoids present in carrots are miracle workers. Not only do these give its own color, it does wonders for your lungs. They protect the membrane of the lungs by increasing mucus production, which means that it helps the lung tissues to heal quickly and protect it from the outside toxins. The anti-inflammatory compounds also relieves an irritated respiratory system. If you're a smoker or an ex-smoker, then drinking carrot juice will help you countering the unhealthy side effects related to smoking. Why does this happen? The high content of vitamin A helps in reducing the risk of asthmatic attack or emphysema. Number 11. Healthy option for pregnant women. A pregnancy invites several unwanted tips from everyone. One tip that's actually useful is drinking fresh carrot juice. It's beneficial for both pregnant ladies and nursing mothers. During the pregnancy stages, drinking it at least 3 times a week will help your baby with the development of limbs, cartilage and bones. This is due to the high calcium content. Another substance that is found in abundance is folate, that prevents birth defects in newborns. Carrot juice for nursing mothers is particularly beneficial because it helps enrich the milk. This milk is loaded with vitamins and calcium, which is a great way of keeping your immune system and your baby's immune system strong. Number 12. Assists in prevention of lung cancer. There are several foods that have cancer-fighting properties, and carrot juice is one of them. It doesn't stop cancer, but it fights cancer-causing cells. A healthy diet consisting of leafy greens, protein and colorful vegetables like carrots keeps your immunity strong, which prevents the production and multiplication of cancer cells. Carrots' cancer-fighting potential comes from being a non-starchy vegetable as well as a source of carotenoids. These, along with a bunch of other phytochemicals, are crucial. The best way of prevention is to follow a wholesome diet throughout the day. Number 13. Improves heart health. In order to maintain a healthy heart, it's essential to be physically active, get adequate amounts of sleep and decrease your stress levels. However, all of this must be balanced with a well-thought-out diet for it to have a positive effect. Carrots, which are loaded with antioxidants and dietary fiber, work towards keeping your heart healthy by removing plaque from the arteries and maintaining blood circulation. Did you know about the miraculous benefits of the humble old carrot? How do you mix carrots into your diet? What is your favorite health juice recipe? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Please hit the like, share, and subscribe to my channel with turning on ring the notification bell below if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end. Stay healthy, eat healthy, be healthy.